Let's see how you can actually build Spanish AI agent that can simply respond to the customer's questions through Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, even on the website chat widget as well. So here I have some information about a specific company called as Flow Masters Plumbing, where we have all the information like introduction to the company, the services they provide, the areas they serve, the pricing information, and frequently asked questions as well. So if you plan to build an Spanish AI agent that simply handle the Spanish language only, then you can simply provide all that information which we have in English in the Spanish version itself, because it's gonna actually respond to the customers in the Spanish itself. So it's better you can actually provide all that information in the Spanish only. So here I'm in a demo account with all these channels connected over here. You have to go to the AI Hub over here, click on AI Hub, where you can simply create any sort of AI agents for your own business. So let's create a new one, and here let me say Flow Masters Plumbing over here, and let's say Spanish. So this one is in Spanish, but you can actually build an AI agent and provide all the information in the English and simply instruct the AI agent to respond to the customers in their own language as well. So if they use different languages, it will simply auto understand those languages and respond to them as well. But in this case, we want to simply focus on the Spanish. So let's build the AI agent and provide all the information in the Spanish only. All right. So here let me open the Spanish version over here and simply copy all this information right here. So everything right here is in the Spanish. So let me copy that information and paste it over here. So here we have this prompt as well. So let me translate this one to English and show you. So it says, you are a friendly, helpful customer service assistant to this particular company. Let us answer the customer's question in 1 to 2 sentences with a warm, human, approachable tone. Avoid sounding robotic. Make your responses feel natural, helpful, and conversational. So we have this particular prompt as well, including all the information about that specific business. So here, if you scroll down, you have the option to use AI tools as well. So when it comes to AI tools, you can actually upload specific PDF files and provide more information for the AI agent as well. So it will simply use that information in those PDF files and respond to the customer's question. And you can also add AI functions as well. AI functions help you to collect specific customer details and trigger specific flows as well. And apart from that, you can also add web search as well. For example, if you enable web search, here you can actually add a specific website address as well. So when a particular customer asks any sort of questions, it will simply search the specific website and try to generate information using that information as well. For now, let me delete this one. And here another thing is that if you click on this option, here you have the option to choose different models. So here we have connected the OpenAI, Cloud, Gemini, and XA. So it shows all these models right here. And here you can set the priority of those models as well. For example, it will try to generate a response from the OpenAI GPT-5 Mini. Suppose for some reason if it fails or if their server is down, then it will actually try to generate a response from the complete different model, which is Cloud. So you can actually set the priority for each of these models as you like as well. So let's click save over here. All right, and let's make this as the default agent as well. All right, and you have to go to settings and integrations. Make sure OpenAI ChatGPT you have the auto replace switched on as well. All right, so now let's test how this actually works. So this can simply work on all these connected channels right here. So here this is the Facebook page connected demo chatting media. So let's send a message to the specific Facebook page and test how this actually works. So here I have some questions as well. For example, in which cities they provide services. So let me ask this in Spanish and see how this actually respond to us. So let me go to the Facebook page and send a message right here in Spanish and see how this actually respond to us. So here we receive the response. So let's see what it says. So it should actually provide us all the areas they serve. So let me translate this one to English. So it's translating from Spanish to English. So it says it provide services in these other areas. Simple as that. If you need any of these series, it simply asks the customers to call that to schedule the appointment as well. So here let me ask some other questions as well. For example, what promotion do they have for the new customers? So let me ask that in the Spanish and see what happens. So let me ask about the promotions for the new customers. So let's see if they have any promotions. So here for the first time customers, they get 10% off their first service. So let me see what sort of response we are receiving right here. So here we have received a response right here. So let me translate this one to English and see, new customers receive 10% discount for the first time services. In addition to, we offer seasonal promotions, etc. as well. All right, so that's how we actually receive the responses in the Facebook page. It simply works the same on other channels too, and you can even add a chat widget on your website to answer those questions as well. So you can actually use the web chat option over here and simply make a duplicate of this one right here. So let me duplicate this one. Alright, it has been duplicated, and here you can add the specific business name. So in this case, let me add Flow Masters Plumbing. Alright, and here you can add the welcome message as well. So let's use the specific free template over there, and here you have other options too. So you can actually change the color if needed. So let me change to a different color. Alright, and save it. Done. So this is the specific template we just made from the duplicate. So let me change the business name over here, and here click on get code over here. All right, and keep in mind we have this welcome message flow as welcome message for web chat. So if you're wondering where that particular flow is, go to flow section, all free templates, website a chatbot, and this is the specific template message. So this will be sent to them when they send you a message over there. So that's a specific message. So it simply say, hello, welcome to account name, how can I help you today? So here the account name is demo. So let's see how this actually works. So here let me go back to the web chats over here and do some customizations. So click on get code over here. All right, click on customize and paste the specific code. So here this is how the chat widget gonna look like with the specific welcome bubble as well. So here you can actually change this bubble as you like as well. For example, let me say, do you have any plumbing needs? So here let me say, do you have any plumbing needs? And here you can change the text color if you want. So you can actually play around as you like as well. And here you can change the size of this specific button or bubble as you like. Suppose if you don't want to display this one, you can actually disable this one as well. And when it comes to web chat, you can even change these icon colors, gradient. You can also add the gradient styles as you like as well. For example, let me add like this. So you can actually play around as you like as well. And here auto open. So if you want this chat widget to automatically open in a few seconds, you can do that as well. For example, let's say a customer visits your website and check your website, and like in 5-10 seconds you can automatically open this chat widget and send a message to your customers automatically as well. So that's also another powerful option right here. So let me enable that option, and it will automatically open in 5 seconds and send us the welcome message. So as you can see here, it simply opens, and this is the business name, and it simply will send me the welcome message as well. Hello, welcome to the demo, how can I help you today? So that's the idea right here. And if a particular customer asks any sort of question, it will simply respond to them as well. For example, where are you located? So here we ask about the location. Let's see if we have that information or not. So it says we are a family-owned membership based in this area, and we serve these other areas. Simple as that. And it simply asks them to visit or call this specific number for the appointment. Simple as that. And here, once you made all your customizations as you like, you can simply scroll down right here and see final chat widget code for your website with all the customization you have just made right here. For example, automatically open in 5 seconds, change the gradient, change this particular text. So this is the code right here. You can simply copy this code right here. So here you have the option to copy this code. All right, it has been copied, and simply install this on your website. So here we can actually do that as well. So here we can actually use the landing page tool and show you. So let's just create a empty flow and add the landing page element right here. And here let's say this is website just for the demo, and simply add the specific code I just copied. So let me simply paste it. All right, I have just pasted that specific code, publish this one, and now preview this one. So this is the website, and this is the chat widget installed. It will look like this, and in 5 seconds it will simply open and send us the welcome message as well. And if you ask any sort of question, it will simply respond as well. For example, so here let me ask the same question in what cities they serve in the Spanish. So let's see what sort of response we are receiving right here. So here I ask in Spanish, it simply sends a response back in the Spanish with all the cities they serve. Simple as that. So that's a quick video on how you can actually build a Spanish AI agent for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.